Yeah, finally. So we're heading back now. Got our hair, we've done lots of things now. Time to go back. Place to be. Off by itself, it was really cold. So 7 degrees Celsius and sunny, but you still feel it's extremely cold, which is comfortable for the motorcycle, but not for the rider himself. These V4 engines do not like heat really. So I'm taking you through a tour of the city of Geneva today, where you can enjoy all the scenery without having to be in this cold weather. Lots of farmlands. I'll put them in the previous videos. If you haven't subscribed, please share, like and subscribe, and you will see lots of beautiful scenery from around the world, motorcycle reviews and so much more. So you feel it's sunny, but it's really not. Like it's this fake sun. Look, feel it's like 4 degrees to 4 to 6, depends where you are, and the elevation above sea level. Here we are going through the city. Going down, there'd be a very nice lake at the bottom, and very old buildings. This bâtiment français sort of. Building style of French buildings. You always have to mind the cyclists. Lots of cyclists here, even on the mountains and the Swiss passes. All of them, you get lots of cyclists, so it's quite dangerous and you have to be very careful. Really powerful people, like imagine the legs going up the mountain, like 45 degrees elevation. Amazing, unbelievable. Now I'm going to overtake in a safe way. No, do you know how to overtake him? Can you imagine? Wow. This is the Audi RS. You get lots of supercars. People like their cars here, like really love their cars, so you get lots of people going around with like lots of supercars. It's a really nice day. It's not so busy, but I feel very fresh, like very super cold.